Brian from briandemambro.com. We're looking at a mid-19th century history of the city of Rotterdam in English. There are lithographed paper-covered boards from the publisher Van Gogh in Rotterdam. There is a lithographed frontis illustration. Thomas Marshall's the author. 1846 is the date. The book contains a handful of illustrations around the city, lithographed, but it also does include a fine folding city plan, which is right here. Map of Rotterdam 1844 with 50 specific locations in the city identified in the top two corners. Of course, this city was heavily bombed in World War II, and the urban plan greatly altered, so it presents a record of a city which essentially no longer exists. The book is tight and sound and complete. It's currently available on my website, briandemambro.com.